What's up guys, welcome to Apex. We have got the Galaxy S26 Ultra here and we also have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and check this out. We have got some amazing cases from Pitaka, and in today's video we are going to check them out. You can see this 1, 2, 3 and 4 cases for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and we have got 2 cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and we have also checked out some of the cases for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, this one, and this one. So these 3 we have already seen in my previous videos. In today's video we are going to check out the rest of them, and I'm going to show you how exactly these cases look, and we will also talk about the special feature that it has got, that is the Aaron button on all these cases. And look at this just on all these cases, and check this out. This color looks just beautiful, isn't it? Now before we begin, let me also tell you that there will be a link in the description for you guys to go ahead and purchase the cases from Pitaka. I will also leave a discount code for you guys if you're interested in buying these cases. Just click the link in the description, use the discount codes to get some discounts on your purchases. Now obviously I'll not be using all these cases. I will be giving away some of them at least, probably in the future videos, and I'll let you know how you can enter the contest and win these cases. Now without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. Let's start with the first case. Now this is a gorgeous looking case. As you can see, I just love the color, and I'm sure there will be a beautiful texture on this. It says Harvard University here, ultra slim case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, woven from aramid fiber aerospace grade material. Now that is the specialty of these cases. These are all thin fit cases we are looking at today. It also has this Aaron button shortcut for TAS. And on the back, it says slim and light. It is just at 29.5 grams. Thickness is 1.3 mm. That is pretty thin. Aaron button shortcut for TAS. MagSafe compatible. So all these cases are MagSafe compatible. You can use any MagSafe accessories or any magnetic accessories on these cases. And this is also scratch resistant, eraser abrasion tested. So these are not basic cases. These are some extraordinary cases from Pitaka. And you can also see the color mentioned here, Harvard Crimson. So that is the color. Now let's go ahead and unbox this. It's a pretty simple experience. We have got a card here. It says to Aaron, information is power, but like all power, there are those who want to keep it for themselves. That is pretty cool. Now this is what it says. Now let's go ahead and check out the packaging here. My God, look at this. This is pretty thin and it's so soft with some cool texture as well. And we have got Pitaka logo right over here at the bottom, and Harvard University is right over here. So we have got this logo. So I was wondering whether this will be there on the case or not. It is there on the case. And here it says Pitaka with this MagSafe compatibility and the Aaron button compatibility here. And I'm sure this is a collaboration with Harvard. Yes, it says collaboration collection Harvard designed by Pitaka. Now let's go ahead and put this case on. It's very simple. That's it. Look at this. This looks beautiful. It doesn't cover the entire edges here. These will be open. These will be exposed. Obviously, this is a thin fit case, so you will see this exposure around the phone. The S Pen, it's very easy to take it out. You see it works fine. And we have got some opening on the top here. You can see the camera bump. It's protruded outside and it protects the camera very well. And you'll obviously have this wobble. That's because it's a thin fit case. If it was a thicker case, probably the wobble will slightly reduce. But still, I have some thicker cases. The phone still wobbles. That's the worst thing about Galaxy S26 Ultra. And the cases may not be able to protect it unless you really get a thick case, which is almost at least 2 to 3 mm thick. But if you're someone who is looking for a thin fit case, then these are the cases you should be going for. It protects the phone well. Pretty hard material, the aramid fiber. It's very soft as well, and it keeps the form factor alive. Now, on the side, we see these 3 buttons here. You can just press on a specific button to execute a function on your phone, maybe to open an application or to open a specific shortcut. You can use these buttons. I've already posted a video about this feature. I explained how exactly this works. So if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and check out the video link in the description. These shortcut buttons are very useful. Do not miss that video. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the second case. This is the second one. Let's check this out. We have got a sealed box here. Let me open the seal here. This seems to be a slightly different box. We do have a soft box inside. Look at this. This is a premium experience that we're getting here. A pretty soft box which says carry lighter, live now. Pitaka branding at the bottom. Here we go. We've got some paperwork. I just love the box here. This is quite different and unique. And this is the case. This is a brown colored case with the texture. It's a similar case, almost exactly the same case with a different colored texture here. Probably for the white phone this suits, not for the purple one. There it is. Soft and textures on the back, and we have got this design here, Pitaka logo. We also have the Aaron button here. Now let's check out the next one. This is the third one. This is a blue colored case and it looks pretty nice. Even this camera bump has got this nice shiny texture on it. And this is how it looks. Check this out. I kind of like this. This looks beautiful with this blue texture here on the back. Exactly same case with Aaron buttons, but it's a different color. And this camera module protector also looks nice. You can see that shine on this edge here, which is pretty cool. Now let's take a look at this particular case. This one looks kind of unique here. Again, it's the same Aaron button case. Similar texture, but it's a different design here. Let's open this up. Oh, this looks amazing, guys. This is actually different from the others and it has got that extra softness on this case. Let's put this on. Let's see how this looks. It just snaps on quickly and look at this. I'm in love with this particular case. Looks pretty nice. Similar Aaron button case, and we do have those open edges here and antenna. And you can also keep the phone upside down. We have got these protruding edges on the case, which is going to protect your screen. So this is how you can keep it. Only issue is when you keep it this way, it always wobbles because the camera module is pretty thick. Now it's time we take a look at a couple of iPhone cases. For this gorgeous looking iPhone 17 Pro Max, we have got two cases from Pitaka here. Both of them are similar cases. Again, they are aramid fiber cases, similar material, similar texture for the iPhone. It says Ultra Slim case for iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's pick this one. Again, this is a sealed box, a premium experience with this box because we have got the soft box inside, which says Carry Lighter, Live Now, Pitaka. Let's open this. Okay, we have got some paperwork here. Thank you for choosing Pitaka product and blah, blah, blah. We have got some extra paperwork. And here it says there is something called Pita Tap, which is iPhone camera control button. So that is also supported on this case. Let's check that out in a bit. And we do have some important instructions here. Pita Tap troubleshooting. Due to manufacturing tolerances in iPhone camera buttons, the following issue may occur. Sliding not working. This may be because iPhone button sits too low. Fix. After installing the case, press Pita Tap firmly several times to improve contact. So that is something which you need to do here, just in case if that Pita Tap button, the camera button doesn't work. In the second scenario, the iPhone button protrudes. In that case, you can go to camera settings and change light press force to firmer mode. You can go to settings, accessibility, camera control, firmer. So this is something which you can choose to make this button work better. And then it says do not apply excessive force or use sharp objects when adjusting. Ensure the phone's button area is dry and clean before installing the iPhone cases. So this is something very important to note here if you are buying Pitaka cases for the iPhones. Now let's check this out. This is the spacer installation guide. Use only when Pita Tap is unresponsive to light taps. For details, please refer to Pita Tap troubleshooting in the user manual. So we've got a small spacer here, just in case if that button is not responding, the camera button is not responding, then you can use this particular thing, or you can also follow the instruction which I just read it out for you guys. Now this is the case here. Look at this. This also looks pretty nice. We've got the Pitaka branding here. Of course, it is MagSafe case, and the sides are open like any other cases that we saw. Now let's keep these aside and let me put this on the iPhone. There we go. It feels pretty nice, and here it says 2026. If you can see this, this says 2026 here. This is the year this particular case is manufactured, and we do have this camera protection here. It has got a separate black color frame here. As you can see, I can keep the phone like this without hurting the camera. And if you keep the phone upside down, again, you have got those edges which are protruding out. You can see these edges here. This will protect the screen as well. Now, of course, the sides are not protected. If you're someone who wants complete protection on these buttons as well, then you can go for a few other cases on Pitaka. On Pitaka's website, you can check out. There are many cases which protects the entire phone. There are slightly thicker cases. You can opt for those. Now let's test the camera button. Let's go ahead and press this. Yep, it's working fine. And let me try to use the slider here. Yep. This is also working fine without any issues. I'll have to apply a slight force maybe. If you just rub it like this, it won't work. You just have to press a bit and then use the button. You can use the slider here. So it's working fine without any issues. You can go ahead and check this out. Let's also see the other case here. Now this is a similar case. Let me just open this up for you guys. Again, it's a sealed case, similar box experience. This is the other case that we have here. Look at this. Both are similar cases with slightly different colors. So these are Pitaka thin fit cases for your iPhone. Now these are some amazing thin fit aramid fiber cases for the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Pitaka does offer various other kinds of cases as well. You can go ahead and check out the link in the description. And if you're interested in buying any of these cases, you can use the affiliate link which is given in the description with the discount code. That's about it. That's all I want to share with you guys. Let me know which one is your favorite. Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.